So some people say it's very important to have or to find a teacher. So what do you recommend, and how can we tell if we have the correct teacher?
Correct teacher. Well, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to find out who is the who correct teacher is, because because people say so many people just have so many knowledge of what the true teacher is, but so that the people just people might be just confused. But the thing is just like a dog and a master dog who has a strong desire, who has a strong desire to just realize who he is. If you have this strong desire, you can just meet, you can just come across the true teacher. Only this is desired.
I feel in some ways that's also my experience because of how we met, very randomly and surprisingly. Yes, so I think I've been very, very lucky to find such a fantastic teacher. Yes.
Who says so? You say so.
I think he might be in front of the camera.
Okay. But anyhow, so if you can find out true teaching, then you just practice that with him. This is very important thing. Otherwise, you never be able to just find out or encounter to yourself. Only true teacher just instruct you how to do. So then you'll be able to follow what he just meant, how to teach you. Then you'll be encountered through yourself. That's it.
And so, Jinen-san, the last question. So obviously you had great teachers, and so could you tell me something about Gien Roshi, since you were talking about him today? So how was he to you?
Yeah. So what he just taught me, or also my teacher, is Gikan Roshi. The same thing. See, what true self was so huge, so that within life, you have to do only these things. You have to do only these things within our life. So only one chance. This is the things they just taught me.